My name is Jamie. Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your Hue Light Switch and Motion Sensor. I know that my batteries need to be changed, and sometimes the light will be blinking orange right here, and then also in the corner there where you see the green light, sometimes that will be orange. So that's how you know, but also you may know by looking at the app itself. So on your phone, go into your Hue app, and we're going to go down to the lower corner where it says Settings. We're going to click on Accessories. And once we are in Accessories, you can see, for example, this relaxation station light switch says low battery. A pro tip for you, have a plate, or in this case I'm just using a paper plate. You can use a kitchen plate. So anything that can be your capturing vessel for this tiny switch. So we're going to lay it face down. I've got a tiny little screwdriver here, and this is one you would use for your glasses, eyeglasses. You might have one around for other small projects around your house as well. And you can see how tiny that screw is. And then you can see that we've got a 2450 Durrcel battery. Now notice this battery is facing out, so we're going to take this battery out. And let's just see when the last time we changed this. 2 years ago, 2019. So I'm going to write the date on my new battery and pop it back in. That way I can see about how long these are lasting. And in my experience, they last about 2 years. And I do recommend buying good quality batteries no matter what battery. Now you can see in the corner that my light switch is working. We'll wait a little bit and make sure this works. So we're going to set it aside, and now we're going to jump over to the Hue Motion Sensor. You need 2 AAA batteries, a small Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to turn it over face down and start removing the plate just like we did with the other switch. And you can see we have 2 AAA batteries. Now, best practice, if you're sure these batteries are bad, pop them out, throw them in the garbage. Therefore, there's no fusing the new batteries with the old batteries. I'm going to go ahead and write the date on my new batteries here. So we're going to pop these back in. I've written my date on there. Pop them back in the exact same way you took them out. Make sure it's flush. Press all the way along that. Then pop the back on. And we're going to give it anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. Mine took about 10 minutes, but I have read online where some people's actually took up to 2 to 3 hours. So be patient before you try resetting your device. So to make sure it's working, obviously just test it. And if your switches work, it's good. If it's not working, double check your batteries and make sure they're in correctly before doing anything else. If that's all good, then we can just double check the app. We're going to go to the app and just double check that the low battery is not on there any longer, and it's not. Downstairs is actually right there. So both of those are changed and they work, so we are good to go. Now, if you have a problem and you might need to reset these because changing the batteries did not work and you need to repair them, one thing you could do is, let's go to this one. We can scroll all the way down to the bottom and we can hit reset. You also can try taking a small paper clip, making it straight, and then there's a button on the back of both the dimmer switch and the motion sensor, and you just gently hold that in, putting pressure straight down for about 3 seconds. The lights will blink on the front, letting you know that that's working, and that's also a way that you might need to repair it using the repair and then the reset button in your app. If it's helpful, if it is, please hit like, share, and subscribe, and ring that little bell so you can get future notifications about my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.